What's up, guys gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we have lovely unboxings. I don't know where to start or where to finish, to be totally honest. So I guess well, by the way, I definitely need to do my nails. Okay, I need to do my nails. So I'm hoping that I find something in these packages that I can use to create my design. And since we have two packages, I'll probably do half a hand. Half a set, so one hand, and then do the other hand with the other package. Hold on, Rosalind. I don't know about this. Okay? Whoever packaged this, oh my goodness. So basically, when you're a brand ambassador, truth be told, the businesses need to expend the product, even though there's things that happen to it or they might get returned and things like that. And this is what being an ambassador entails. So anyways, this is from Rosalind. Now, there's something super cool about these, and if you know, you know, but if you don't know, I'm not going to tell you until the end. But basically, there's nothing fancy about this packaging, quite frankly. I sometimes hate when girls are like, oh, the packaging. But in this case, I'm like, oh, the packaging. I'm just teasing. I'm such a brat. Sometimes because I stay home like nearly all the time, I kind of look like for random opportunities to just be the biggest brat. And so this is one of those. Anyway, so now you can see, if you know, you know, if you know, you know. And these are a nude color palette. So here we have this. I'm really excited. The most exciting part about this, aside from the most exciting part, is the color palette. I feel like I could do so much with these. And you guys saw the baby girl nails that I did recently. Oh, it's giving. Okay. Let me get my swatch sticks ready. Hold on. Let's get our swatchies. We need 6 of them. I'm so excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how are you guys doing today? I'm doing all right. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. I went outside and got myself a little walk today. Started my day like that because I realized that walking is essential. You guys, I got like probably a piece of cat hair like on my eyelash, and it's tickling my eye, and it's literally driving me insane. Cause it like tickles so much. Like I could burst into laughter. That's how much it tickles. Like, can you not? My cat loves to sit on my chair where I work. And I am afraid that, truth be told, there's tons of cat hair on this chair. I just don't see it because her cat hair is dark. And I'm very much looking forward to getting a lint roller and coming over and lint rolling her hair up so I can have a visual of how much her hair is there, because she literally lays here all the time, and it's getting to the point where now if I sit here I get cat hair on me some way, somehow. But anyways, I didn't really notice that these had like names or numbers, which is also a bust. I hate that. But oh, hold on. Okay, I think okay, so I located the numbers. They're here. That's cute. It's okay. It's not a full give, but it's a minimalistic aesthetic, and I love. So this, I could say that I can definitely give this kudos for being a very minimalistic aesthetic, very straightforward and to the point. And I'm thankful that the numbers were on there, because there's nothing worse than when you get polishes and you can't really label them. And then they always add like the C, and it's like them in Born Pretty, they always add like one letter, and it's like, okay, I guess. I like names. Give me names. Like this is Pretty Princess, so we're gonna call her Pretty Princess. My biggest thing that I'm interested in seeing with these is how the opacity level. So like, needless to say, they're, I don't know, they look good just as one coat. Oh, I should have used the clear swatches. I might pull them out. Let me grab my lamp. Alrighty, let's see. I am so excited about these. Oh my God. Alright, so gotta work on that. So this week I have been collaborating, and you guys are gonna see, I'm gonna post this video first, but I have a video that I recorded last night that I'm gonna show you guys. Let's see. Hold on, you guys. I don't want to get them mixed up. It's so pretty. It's so. What is this on my hand? Glue? I cannot win. I got glue on my hands. How? I haven't even used glue. Anyway, don't look at my hand. It's so beautiful. Okay. I'm going to have to leave them by the bottles for now. What the heck, Samantha? What did you get on your hand? You haven't even used the glue. It doesn't want to come off either. So my nails is looking bad, y'all. My hands, I've been working. So anyways, let me tell y'all what I was telling y'all. Let me tell you what I was telling you before I was telling you what I'm telling you, okay? So me and Victoria have been working together, and it's been so freaking awesome. Okay, this is peachy pink. This one is peachy pink. Okay, so that other one was princess pink. This one is peachy pink. This one instantly makes me think of that. I don't know why. It's probably not even the same color, but it instantly makes me think of the girl off of Mario Kart. The princess girl. I don't know why. Is her name Peach? I think that's probably why. Is her name Peaches? I think her name is Peaches. Definitely suggest 2 coats for these if you want full coverage, a full opaque coverage, but I'm really enjoying the give of 1 coat. It's still a move. Hold on, wait, you gotta go back in there. It's on 15 seconds. So can anyone drop a comment, please? Now this is peachy. This is just peachy. Can anyone drop a comment down below and let me know if Ksky has revolutionized their lamps so that they don't make that beeping sound, or so that the beeping sound is optional? Because, okay, I could see like if you had it on a 90-second setting or a 60-second setting, it really could be beneficial, because by that time you forget about the nails, you done got to gossiping. But like, for example, for 30 seconds and for 15 seconds, it does get annoying. I can say that. I can definitely say that. And then the noise is so loud, you can't control like the volume level. So these are very, very, very opaque. Translucent. They're not super opaque. I wonder, like I guess they're like jelly nudes, like not jelly, but like a form of jelly nudes. That's cool. We got 3 more. I love all the pink ones, so I'm gonna do this one, and I will show you guys all the numbers. Now this one is bubblegum pink. Okay. So far we got Princess Pink, Peachy Pink. We'll do Peaches Pink. And then we had Peachy. And now we got Bubblegum Pink. Yeah. Rosalind, anytime you want to collab, just let me know. And I will go ahead and brand a gel polish package for you. Yeah, Goddess Gang in the cut. Goddess Gang. Drop a comment in the comment section, Goddess Gang, hashtag Goddess Gang, hashtag Goddess Gang. Alright. This is Peachy. Just Peachy. That's a cute color. Alrighty. We got 2 more to go. Alright, and they almost look the same. They're like barely different. Let's see what we got. So I'm not necessarily coming up with any nail design ideas right away, but I'm thinking. I think these may not get used today because I want to really utilize these, and I want to really do like some hand-drawn nail art on top of these, because I feel like these colors are going to be good to be like a background color to a nail art design. And there's our bubblegum pink. Spoiler alert, if you didn't already detect, they glow. Okay. And that's why I'm super excited. And I can just imagine like having a glowing background and then having like some sort of nail art drawn on top of it. And when I think about like the Mario idea and stuff, I really think I might do like some form of hand-drawn nail art on top of those. So yeah. If you're watching this video and you wear press-ons, I need you to drop, or like if you do your own nails and stuff, I guess mostly like for full coverage nail extensions, not so much for just tips, drop your size combination, because I'm really trying to start to do market research on size combinations so that I can start to sell press-ons for you guys so you can have my artwork. And I'm so excited. Now this one is called Baby Blue. Needless to say, it's the perfect baby blue. And this one is called Stone Gray. That one was called Stone Gray. Stone Gray, Baby Blue, Peachy, Peaches Pink, Princess Pink, and Bubblegum Pink. And there you have it. A wonderful little family. Oh wait, let me put this in there one more time. Did I do that twice? I think I did. Hopefully I did. Let's see, y'all. Let's see. Huh. I'm so excited. All right. Yeah. Now I gotta do this one. Literally, oh my gosh. Now, I will say that this is with one coat, you guys. It is literally such a gift. So this is why I'm super forgiving about like the packaging and stuff like that. I know that these can't cost a whole lot, and the best part is obviously that they do glow in the dark, but I'm not going to show you right this moment. I'll film that clip later and I'll insert it. However, oh my gosh, so we got Baby Pink, oh no, Princess Pink, don't look at my nails, y'all, Peachy Pink, Peaches Pink, Peachy, Bubblegum Pink, Stone Gray, and Baby Blue. And I guess the Stone Gray is like more of a greenish color, so maybe I should call it Baby Money and Baby Blue. Baby money, I love it. But anyways, drop comments down below. Let me know what you guys thought of this unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and film a new video unboxing Madam Glam so that I can produce a set using something, but I don't want to unbox 2 products in one video. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Today is gonna be a triple upload day, so make sure you got them notifications on. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. Make sure you like this video because I know you love it, and I love you guys so much, and I'll be back in just a minute. I'll holla y'all. Peace.